Alright guys, what I want to do is real quickly give you a overview on how to use an on-the-go 5.8 gig receiver with a newer phone like an S8. There's lots of reviews out here on these adapters. This one's the EACHINE ROTG01. There's a newer model of this, the 02. Same principle, just they operate the same way. But what I keep seeing in a lot of other people's reviews of these things is they can't figure out how to use this with this. Basically, the key is it comes with this cable. It's a micro USB to micro USB. Don't use it. A lot of people try to use this adapter, USB-C, micro USB. Don't use that either. What you need to do is get a USB-C to USB on-the-go adapter. These come with Galaxy S8s, S9s, etc. Hopefully you didn't throw it away when you got your phone. It was hidden in the box. It's important. You need this. You also need just a regular USB to micro cable. Good quality cable will do you a lot of good. So basically what happens is if you use this cable with this adapter, and you launch the app, what you're going to get is this. Looks like this device does not have a UVC driver, blah blah blah. You need an adapter. You're not going to get video, it's not going to find a camera, and you're just going to be SOL. So what you want to do is power up your camera, plug your regular USB to C USB on-the-go adapter into your phone, get an appropriate cable such as this one. Actually, turn the camera on. Plug it into your phone and then into the receiver. Then you get this, your video feed. If you press and hold the button down, it'll start scanning, looking for the strongest signal. So once it's done, it'll settle in on what the strongest signal is, and there you go. There's your video. Easy peasy. So the key here is to use the correct on-the-go adapter, a normal micro USB cable, and to not use the supplied cable and just a USB-C to micro USB adapter. That's where you'll run into problems. Alright, hope that helps. Great little piece of hardware. It's great just for testing cameras, not having to have goggles or anything like that, or a big monitor. Really, really useful piece of gear. So, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any comments you like, and please subscribe. Thanks.